From the top star racing finisher in his debut to not even finishing the Triple Crown, let's say the debut and subsequent race for Michael Mosiman has been up and down. Let's put it that way. If you missed last week or last night, as I'm recording this on Sunday, and St. Louis, the Triple Crown race, he had this crash right here in qualifying, which is probably a pretty scary crash. Bike lands on top of you after landing straight into the face of the jump. Obviously, not something you want to see from a guy who, let's say, is injury prone, be honest, but to have something like that and then get up and be able to race, good, fine. Shows that he had a little bit of grit, didn't have any problems with that, or he was working through it. And right after that, he did get up and he looked fine. Sitting here talking to the Alpines guy, looked okay. And then this, in the middle of the race, I think this is race 2. Yeah, heat 2 or race 2. You have him do that, and then right there, ooh, there's a little wobble, and to me that screams concussion. He looks like he has no idea where he's going, just walking off to the side here, and then I don't know. This is one of those things that, for him, this is an opportunity of the lifetime to be injured on TLD and then not have a ride for 9 months and then get signed to star of all the 250 teams you could probably get. That is the absolute fill-in ride deal of a lifetime that he needs to capitalize on. And what you really don't need is to race one race, look okay, finish whatever it was, 6 or something like that. Like, not bad, but to be the top star finisher, that was pretty good for him on a debut. But what you don't need is then start crashing multiple times in a weekend and not finishing, not getting points, and who knows? Because this is one of those things. I don't know if this is a 1-year deal, whatever. Somebody comment down below if you can tell me what his deal is. I don't know if it's just supercross, if it's motocross. I couldn't tell you. So comment down below and tell me what you think, or tell me what you know. But he does. He needs to capitalize on this. If it's a 1-year deal, you need to be on that bike all the time, finishing, doing well, for other teams to look at you and be like, yes, this is the guy that we want to sign and, give a 2-year deal to and put some time on the bike. But if he's going to be crashing multiple times, injuring himself, who knows? It doesn't look good. But I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think of the Triple Crown format? Did you like St. Louis? Are you happy who won? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.